We're at the yacht club tonight. We're having a glow party. We've got UV lights. I brought the Cobb Cannon from ADJ, and I put it on the glowy tripod. I can make it go any color I want, but we're gonna go ahead and let it glow blue. And then I've also got 8 Maxes here. They're gonna be on Sound Active blue. But they've done a real good job. They've got their own lights here, and as you can see, it's all lit up cool. Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it went really well. I had fun doing it. Usually the yacht club's a lot of fun. It's time to put this together. Hopefully the camera's okay. It was doing some kind of recovery thing. But yeah, hopefully we got all the footage saved. And tomorrow I go to Vegas for the DJN TV DJ convention. But until then, we're gonna get some rest, get packed up, and looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the gig log, practice, and enjoy.